This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy application to use. And down here you have a lot of AI effects which you can use. All you have to do is pretty much upload a photo of yourself and you pretty much get these results. So let's say for example this one you may want to fly. You want to test out this one here. You can just tap on that option and upload a photo of yourself and you pretty much good to go. So do keep in mind this application here is going to need a subscription. So if you don't have a subscription, guys, you're going to need to get one. So here you can just pretty much scroll across and look at other AI effects or AI effects which you can use. As you can see here, this is pretty much AI effects. Then you scroll across and pretty much see other AI effects which you can use. And once you have pretty much found the one that you want to use, go ahead and tap on the plus icon here and upload your photo to get this result. Very easy. Down here you may see how much credits you be needed to be used to generate this video, so do keep that in mind. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have quite a lot of effects which you can use. You can just scroll and look for what you want. On the top here you have the image to video option, you have the future baby option here. Pretty much just you uploading your image and you get a whole yourself or an animation of you getting old basically. As well you have the makeup option, you have the AI outfit option here as well. You can try an outfit and so forth. In the AI lab section, this is pretty much where you find everything as it relates to AI image editor, makeup, as you can see here at the top. As well you have the AI image restoration. As well you have the AI ear salon, and as well you have some other AI features which you can use. All you have to do, let's say for example the future baby option, all you have to do is upload a photo of the mother and the father photo and you pretty much get these results as you can see here. Very easy to use. So these are just effects, very easy to use. Let's go on to the generator or the image generating section. So here you tap on generate. In the image generation section now, you pretty much can just enter your prompt that you want. The prompt assist section here, and once you do tap on this option, you see some prompt words which you can use. Let's say pink here, something related to pink here, will generate a prompt as it relates to that. Then you go ahead and select that option if you don't have anything in mind. But if you do have something in mind that you may want to generate an image, then you can go ahead. And as well you can use an image, upload an image as reference as to what you want to generate. And down here you can see the aspect ratio as to how you want the image to look. So over here at the video option, you can create your AI videos. Same procedure. You want to upload an image as reference, and as well load here into your prompt, and pretty much the duration of the video, 8 to 4 seconds. And here you have the aspect ratio and so forth. So the credits needed to generate. Here over here you have the face swap option. I've reviewed even a similar application with almost the same thing. Only thing that is different is pretty much the name. So most of these features that you guys probably see for some of these applications are pretty much the same. You'll be pretty much getting the same thing. Only thing may be different is the processing speed of these AI features and as well the pricing. So over here, as I said before, over here is the face swap option. All you have to do is select, let's say for you option here, just tap on it and it will ask you to go ahead and upload a photo of yourself and you pretty much get these results. As you can see here, this one has quite a few ads while navigating through the application, so do keep that in mind. So that's really pretty much it. As you can see, you have 50 face swap option which you can use. All you have to do is tap on the plus icon here to pretty much go ahead and add your face to do the face swap basically. So for the subscription option, you can tap on the pro at the top here. As you can see, we'll load up here the 3 days free trial. Over here the subscription, and that's really pretty much it. So yeah, so if I missed anything at all in the video, please make sure you hit that notification bell, comment below if I missed anything, and see you guys in the next one.